Today we're going to go over how to change a joystick on a Marc Dualer. It's a pretty simple process. The tools we're going to use is a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of wire cutters, and some zip ties. So I'm going to start by cutting any zip ties that were originally on the arm. So I've got one right here. It could be in different spots for you. It just depends on where or how it came from the manufacturer or however you zip tied it yourself. I've got one here. Then they actually put a third one down here. Be careful not to cut your wire. There we go. The next step is we're going to unplug the power cable from right here. And then the final step is with our Phillips screwdriver. We're going to take the old joystick off. I'm going to use a drill just to save some time. It's just these two screws right here. And now your old joystick is off the chair. Now to install the new joystick, you would do the same process but backwards. So your two Phillips screws would go right in here. If you don't want to do it up here and you want to take this whole bracket off, you can actually get an Allen wrench, then loosen this. Then you can slide this whole bracket if you want to do it on a table or something. This is a 5/32 size Allen, or you could use a 4mm. But you put your two screws in, screw them back in with your Phillips screwdriver. And then with our zip ties, we're just going to remount the zip ties just to make sure your wire is secure. So they had one here, and then you're going to replug your plug back in. You do want it to have a little bit of slack because the Dualer seat is supposed to spin all the way around, so you don't want to secure it really tight. You want a little bit of slack, but that's how you change a joystick on the Marc Dualer.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.